Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will show you how to email forms. Let us log into the caseworker portal. From the home page, let us access a case profile. From the case profile, go to the form section. In the form section, we will see forms that we have worked on for our client. If I want to email the form either to myself or the client, I will click on the checkbox to the left and proceed to click on either email form as read-only PDF or email forms as editable HTML. If selecting email forms as read-only PDF, you or your client will receive the emails as PDF attachments. You can decide the subject, the recipients, combine the forms into a single PDF, or send separate, add additional attachments, select the letter template to import a message, or manually create an email message. Once completed, you can finalize by clicking Email. Your email has been sent, and if you need to confirm the email is sent, you can check the log section of the case profile, where you'll see that the email was logged. If choosing email forms as editable HTML, this will send the form to the client in the client portal. Same as before, you will click on the checkbox of the forms you would like to share. You will select email forms as editable HTML. You will select the subject, the client, add any attachment, and finally, you will see a default message where it directs the client to go into the client portal. You can add additional information to their email message if you like. Once finalized, you can proceed to click on Email. Your client will now receive that email, taking them into the client portal. Something to note here is when you share forms as editable HTML, the client can input information on the form via the client portal. Because of this, you will not have access to edit the form until they submit it back. You will see this message when opening the form in the case profile. You can, however, view it in read-only option, or you have the option of deleting the copy you sent to the client in the client portal, allowing you to edit the form. If you need to resend, you will redo the process of sending the form as an editable HTML. This concludes our video on emailing forms.